Hello, it's Lorena from Tefal, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Ultimate Fry Deluxe. One of my favorite appliances. I just have too many favorite appliances, but this one is really economical, requires no preheating, and it's really a fat-free way of having all of those delicious meals that you like to make. So the snacks, you can chips in it. Today I'm going to make an entire chicken, and I'm going to show you how easy that is. I've set the temperature here to 200 degrees for 10 minutes. We're going to open up our basket, and what I love about it is that you've got two sizes. So you've got an interior basket that removes easily for your chips and things like that, and then you've got a larger basket, which is what we're going to cook our chicken in. And again, it's got all of our Tefal non-stick coating, so you don't have to worry about adding any additional oil. I have just marinated that chicken in a bit of olive oil and paprika and salt and pepper, and I've stuck some seasoned butter under the skin of the chicken, and that's all the oil you need for this air fryer. And what it will do is that it works like a convection oven, and it's just going to circulate that air, and it's going to cook it and roast it absolutely beautifully. I reckon better than results that you would get in a regular convection oven. That goes in, and you just press start. So that's going to now toast it all on the top, and then I'm going to set the temperature down to 180 and cook it for another 30-40 minutes, and it'll be really nice and juicy and tender on the inside, but perfectly toasted, picture perfect on the outside. All right, so our chicken is cooked now in our beautiful air fryer, and let me show you the results. Look at that. So that is rotisserie-style chicken, cooked in the air fryer with no additional fats or oils. So it's really nice and healthy, and the result is absolutely beautiful. Let me take that out. Look at this. So all the juices that have been left in there, you can make a beautiful gravy out of that, but of course, if you want to have a nice healthy meal, you can just leave the fat where it is. So this is now really easy to clean. Just take the handle off, and that whole drawer goes straight into your dishwasher. So really easy to clean, really easy to cook with, and the result is just spectacular. That gorgeous roast on it. We haven't had to preheat our oven. We haven't added any additional oils, and the result is just beautiful. So enjoy your roast chicken.